Dicen que las cicatrices cuentan historias. Pero aquí, en estas laderas, las cicatrices no son solo el recuerdo de lo que dolió. Son los cimientos de lo que se logró construir. Hubo un tiempo donde el silencio era ley y el miedo la única sombra. Pero el corazón de la 13 nunca dejó de latir. Decidieron que las balas no serían su banda sonora, ni el gris de los muros su destino. Cambiaron el plomo por el pincel, el estruendo por el ritmo. Convirtieron la montaña en un lienzo y el dolor en un grito de libertad. No solo sobrevivieron, se transformaron. Porque la superación no es llegar a la cima, es haber subido cada escalón con la frente en alto cuando el mundo decía que no podían. Hoy, la Comuna 13 no es un lugar de paso. Es el testimonio vivo de que la luz siempre encuentra su camino a través de las grietas. Ellos son resiliencia. Son arte. Son la prueba de que, cuando un pueblo decide cambiar su historia, el mundo entero se detiene a mirar. Bienvenidos a la Comuna 13.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.